Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove green screen on CapCut PC. Now that you've got your lighting and green screen sorted, you're ready to start making awesome green screen on CapCut videos. It's time for the fun removing that green screen background and creating something awesome. Here's how to do it. Open CapCut and start a new project. Add your background video or image first. Next, this picture of you or your subject in front of the green screen. Make sure your green screen clip is on top of the background layer. You can usually drag and drop it to arrange the layers. Then, tap on the green screen clip to select it. Look for the editing tools or tap on Remove BG. Then, tap on the chroma key. It might be under a section called Cutout or Keying. Once you've found the chroma key tool, please tap on the color picker. It looks like an eyedropper and select the green from your green screen clip. CapCut will automatically start to remove green screen background. You can usually adjust the intensity of the effect until the green is completely gone. Don't worry if some of the edges look a little rough. We'll fix that in the next section. To make your video look more natural, play around with the other settings in the chroma key tool. You might see options like edge feather, shadow, or spill suppression. This helps smooth out the edges, add shadows, and fix any green that may be showing on your subject. And that's it. You've successfully removed the green screen background from your picture. Now you can add cool new backgrounds and special effects or even combine multiple videos to create your unique masterpiece. Remember, practice makes perfect. Feel free to experiment with different settings and techniques until you get the results you want. Now that you know how to remove the green screen in CapCut, let's level up your skills with some helpful tips and tricks. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.